I have this scene with a PDI pull down its simulation. So what I'm going to do first is I will be selecting all the geometry I need to export as Alembic. And then make sure you're in the animation tab, then go to Cache, Alembic Cache, export selection to Alembic. Click on the option box. And I'm not changing any settings in particular here. Everything is as default settings, is set to default settings. So just hit export. And I'm going to name it and export. So let's jump into Houdini now. Click on File, Import, Alembic Scene. And I'm not changing anything here either. Select your file from the list and import it. We have our node here in the network. Hit space G while your cursor is hovering over the viewport. And I will try to make this file available soon. I've done this simulation in Maya using PDI plugin. So our simulation is fine. Now if you dive into this node, either double click or hit enter, you'll find all the separate nodes of the geometry. So you can either play around with the visibility flags and just use one single bottle instead of 3. So yeah, pretty easy, quick and simple. That's it for this video. Please do subscribe to this channel and do check out the website, link in the description. So if I'm making any objects or scene files available for download, just keep checking the website for any downloads, and I've written blogs about Houdini and quick tips and tricks and everything. All those will be on the website, so keep checking the website too. And I guess that's it. I will see you in the next video.